Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you change app theme for your Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to change your app theme for Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application, and after opening the Bitget application you will just simply have to tap into this dotted icon into the top left corner. Simply select that icon, and after tapping in there you will get this gear option into the top right corner. Simply select the gear option, and after that you will get this option of theme directly, which is set into light in mine. Just simply tap to theme in order to change it. Now after tapping into theme, you will get to choose between this light, dark and system theme. Now you just simply have to pick any of the theme which you would like to choose. I'm selecting dark for now. And after selecting any of the theme that you would like, your application theme will be changed in one click. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.